Is relying on a family member for babysitting or daycare going to negatively impact your custody case? Oftentimes, especially when you have two people that are working that made a baby together, they're going to have to rely on daycare, babysitters, families, nannies, you name it, right? And judges do take that into consideration. If one spouse is able to take care of the child throughout the working day, and still somehow complete their job activities, right? Say they're working from home or their work schedule aligns perfectly with the school schedule and it doesn't negatively impact their parenting abilities at all, well, that can put them a leg ahead of the other spouse if the other spouse has to stick the kid in daycare all day. So, how do relatives factor into that? Well, from my experience, judges would prefer that your children are with relatives than stuck in a daycare with strangers. So, if you're going to have to rely on somebody else to take care of your kids for a portion of your parenting time, it's better to let relatives do it than strangers at a daycare. And that may seem counterintuitive because, well, some relatives may not have the training that a daycare provider has. But judges would prefer, generally speaking, that a relative, a family member, somebody that has a strong kinship bond with his child be with the child as opposed to a stranger at a daycare. So, if you're going through a situation and any of this is at play, give my office a call. My name is Jack Inman. My number is 423 777 8396.